Mutual funds, stocks, or ETFs? Which investment is the best choice in 2026?
When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of a company.
If the company grows, your investment can grow too.
But stocks can also be risky if the company performs poorly.
Mutual funds pool money from many investors and are managed by professionals.
They offer diversification and are great for beginners.
ETFs combine the diversification of mutual funds with the flexibility of stocks. ETFs are low-cost, diversified, and easy to trade.
Stocks offer higher potential returns, mutual funds are beginner-friendly, and ETFs keep costs low.
For beginners, mutual funds are often the easiest choice. For lower fees, choose ETFs. For maximum control, choose stocks.
Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more finance tips.